So I have the Sega Genesis Model 2 here. Here's the top cover for it. It needs a good cleaning, and the power jack is a little loose, which, as you can see, it does work. But when you move the power jack, it cuts in and out and messes up. So I'll be showing you how to fix it. The fix may be different on different consoles, but this one here, I know how to fix it because it's I already took the board out and identified the problem, which should be a simple fix. So let's get to the workbench and I'll show you how it's done. So I have the board out a little better here, so you can see that the power jack has some play in it there. And when you look at the back side of the solder connections, see if I can, don't know if you can see that or not. Do you see this contact here is moving, and the solder is broken. So I should just be able to touch up that solder connection and get it back to 100%. So I'm gonna try that now. See, that really should be good, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some extra solder just to be safe. It should be enough. It looks like it should be good. I'm gonna add some more right here just to make it look better. No, that should be good. I'm gonna look at it off camera here, up close. It doesn't look pretty, but it should work. And it just has a very little play, which should be okay. I don't know if you can. That's probably not the best angle, but we're gonna go ahead and plug it up to the TV now and see if it is fixed. So here's the moment of proof to see if I have destroyed this motherboard or not. As you can see, it's a lot more firm. It has a little bit of play, which should be good because everything's connected now. So let's pop a game in, not upside down, put it in the right way. And turn it on and see if it works. And as you can see, the port has no more play in it, and it's good to go. Turn it off now. So I think we can call that a successful repair. It still needs a really good cleaning, and that should be it. So I'm gonna give this one final test. I got it put all back together. I'm gonna give it one final test before I say it's completely successful, because I got it all together now. It still needs a good cleaning. I can probably get all this white stuff off. It'll probably clean up pretty nice and look really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up and give it one final test and see how the power jack fares. Power jack will still be loose, but the contacts inside are all good and it still has a really good connection. So we're going to put our game in and turn it on. So I'd say this is a successful repair. Thank you for watching.